Okay guys, I got a call from the vehicle owner. This is 2000 DMC Sierra 6-cylinder 3.4 4.3 liter engine. So he called me by audio and he told me he got a problem with the seat lever stuck in parts. So on the phone I told him, so right now the key on, and on the phone I show him how to do it. So it seemed like he didn't understand what I'm talking about and cannot do it. And I told him, okay, turn to the fake sound, and then I show him how to ride it back home. So on the phone I told him how to do it. It's something like now I show you guys on the video. If you guys got a problem like this, and try to drive the vehicle home, okay? Right now we don't care what the problem is. Let the seat lever stuck in park, but in this video I will show you guys how to drive the vehicle home, okay? Okay, right now the key on, as you can see right now the seat lever in parts, because the letter P is all the LED light around that tell the driver right now is in park. So the key on, you can able to track on the brake, and you can see the lever. You see right now it doesn't move anything, even you start the engine. So I have to press on the brake, you can see that, and so it still cannot do anything. Okay, I'll show you guys when you guys got the problem like this. And then first thing, you have to put the key, the key with right now in off position, lock position. You can able to take the key out, and the first turn to accessory. You see right now in lock you don't see anything. When I turn it to accessory, you can see right now PRND 321, but you don't see anything up there. Check engine light, something like that. That's in accessory. And then one more step, that means turn on. Okay, when you turn on, you can see all the light, check engine light, airbag, brake, something like that. Okay guys, when you got the problem, first thing you have to turn the key on, able to see all the light like that. So set your emergency brake all the way. Always check your emergency brake, and then you can also brake for sure, okay? And then the key in on position right now, you can pull the lever out like that. You're able to release your hand from the seat lever. Right now you can see on there, you don't see the position nowhere. P, R, and D are the same. So, and then you can turn back the key back to up. When you turn, you can see the seat lever move a little bit. Let me do again, let you see that. Oh, sorry. Okay, let it put back. Okay, and then you see, move it back out like that, and then you turn it. You keep an eye on the seat lever. I will off the key and take it out. You can see the seat lever move a little bit. See? Okay, and then you take the key out. Okay, and then you put the key back. You can only turn to accessory. Okay, let's see. somehow it's stuck on accessory. Okay, right now in lock position. Okay, take the key out and you turn it back to accessory. Okay, and then you can able to move the gear. Okay, right now it's in reverse and you can move it to N, but you gotta know that in N and P you can able to start the engine. Okay, now I start the engine. Okay, that means right now you have to brake, and then you can release emergency brake right here. Okay, and then you can put in drive, and then release your brake. I can able to drive with two first. Okay, you can look there. I don't want to up more because in front of me with one more vehicle. Okay, anyway, see, you can see the car move a little bit compared to something. I put back in reverse. You can compare to something. I don't want to move more because in the back there, one more vehicle. Okay, anyway. Now, once you drive home, you are right? And then you put back to lever back to P. And then what? You cannot put it back. Continue to run no more until you turn it up and turn it back on and move the lever out, P position, and then turn off the key, take the key out, put it back in, turn to accessory, and then you move. Let's see why somehow, yeah, oh, right now it's accessory, it's what not, okay? Yeah, okay, R, N, D, 3, 2, 1, whatever gear you wanna go. But if you put back to P, you have to start over. Okay, like I do the last test you see, put back to P. Okay. Right now, I put it on. I cannot take it out no more. Okay. Okay, guys. If you guys the problem like this and follow this video, what I show you guys, I'm not sure on model, but on this model like this, some around EMC, GMC, just try and drive it home. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.